guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Toni and I have these 4 precious children that I homeschool. And we have a really special box to open in front of you guys today. We have an Artza box that we're gonna open up. And if you guys have watched my channel, I've opened an Artza box like 3 or 4 times, but usually my kids are not in the video because they don't love being in videos. But today they agreed to participate so that we can see their reactions because a lot of this stuff is for them. So anyway, if you have never seen an Artza box or you're curious what's inside this one, then stay tuned. This is a subscription box that comes 4 times a year, and it has all kinds of amazing, cool things from the Holy Land. They've got different artisans from Israel that make these products. Like a lot of things are handmade, hand-painted, and it just helps us experience Israel because we've never been there, and even though we would probably love to, we haven't. And I don't know, the chances of us going there are very unlikely. So this is a cool way for us to be able to experience Israel and see some of the stuff that they have there and things like that. So we have really enjoyed it. Haven't you guys enjoyed it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Even though you guys haven't seen them on the video, sometimes you hear them in the background going, ooh, ah. So I'm gonna open up the box, and you guys wanna tell them how old you are?
I'll be 16 this week.
Yeah, she's gonna be 16 in a couple. By the time you guys watch this video, she'll be 16.
I'm 13. I'm 11. 9.
Okay, I'm not gonna tell you how old I am. Oh, this is upside down. Okay, so here is our Artza box. Okay, there it is inside. So let's see what we have here. The cool part is when we first started getting these boxes, they used to have like a card for each artisan explaining what they put in the box and the story behind their business and stuff like that. And it was really cool, but now they put it in this neat little booklet, which I think is even better because everything's all together. So it's really cool. So that's what this is. So this, we can look in here and it'll give us the story. Let me just open one. So like it'll have a picture of the guy and it'll explain what his product is, and then there's a story along with it. So it's really neat. It really is an experience. It's very cool. Okay, so who wants to pull the first thing out? Should we start with the oldest? Sure. Okay. What do we have?
Mixture for challah coating.
Challah.
Is that how you say that?
Oh, challah like bread? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Sprinkle the mixture over the challah before placing in the oven to bake. Have you guys ever had challah? This is what it is. Now I have had like challah bread from Virginia. My mom and I used to go somewhere that had these sandwiches on challah, and it was delicious, but I bet it's not the same as from Israel. So that's fun. We love to bake.
Oh, Mom, that's the picture.
That's really cool. Oh, okay, challah bread. So the guy that I opened this to is the first one that has the challah bread topping seasoning. There's a picture of it. So you guys have seen that kind of bread before, right? Oh, yeah. See? So see that? That's challah bread. So it's like this braided, yummy, delicious, shiny bread. We'll have to make that. That would be so fun. That's cool. Out of here. We're filling. Oh, does it smell good? Ooh, that smells really good. I've never had it with seasoning. It's always been just like plain. Cool. Why don't you go next? Ready? You can grab something.
This is De Carina chocolates.
What's this say right here?
Milk chocolate treats.
Milk chocolate treats. Israel, almonds, and sea salt. Ooh, see, that's been fun because I think every time we've gotten some sort of treat, there's always food for us to try. So these will be yummy for us to try today. Who goes next? Okay, let's see what.
Is that
halva?
Halva coated peanuts.
Ooh. A
sweet taste of nature's beauty.
Halva. Didn't we have halva in one of the other boxes and we had to look up what it meant?
I don't remember that.
Ooh, this is a like heavy thing.
Yeah.
Oh, it says halva is in parentheses. It says sesame paste, sugar, glucose syrup, water, saponaria root, and stabilizer. It's a pretty heavy package. So cool. We like food. We'll try something. We'll try some food. Okay, little guy, what do you say? What do we have?
It's the
Ooh.
Painted candle holder set.
Oh, we love candles. They gave us, oh, I wonder if the ones they gave us, remember we got candles from Israel in the last box?
Mm-hmm.
They're pretty skinny, so I wonder if they'll fit in here. This is so pretty. I love this. Look at that. And it's got, oh, sorry, it's got a Bible verse on it. So it's a hand-painted candle holder. So it's like that. But it's got a Bible verse on it too, which says, the light from the darkness. Nope, that's that's half of it. It says, God saw the light was good and he separated the light from the darkness. Genesis 1:4. That's neat. So we have some little touches around our house from Israel, which is really fun. So, and then this has a little paper in it about the artist. So that's cool. Sienna's turn again.
This says in the beginning.
And then it says
Should I
it
open
in is Hebrew too. I think it was Hebrew. Yeah, you can open it. Oh, it looks like cards maybe.
It's a notebook.
Oh, a notebook? Okay.
Oh, it's like
Is it like a journal?
it starts each month with like a picture and a Bible verse.
Oh, so here's the notebook. It says Artza on the back. And then inside, it's got some Bible verses. And then, so it's got like January. There's January there. And it has Genesis 1 through 2. And then it's got some blank, oh, it's your prayer for this month. Prayer for this month goes right there. So maybe it's like a prayer journal. And there's a, yeah, so it's your prayer, it's a little prayer journal for the year. And February goes all the way to the end of the year. There's November. That's really neat. It's super soft paper. Do you guys want to hold it? Feel how soft it is. Isn't that neat? So it says Genesis Journal. Start the year with our Genesis Journal and you get this, well, we're in February now, right? Yeah.
We're in March.
No, we're in March now, but we could go back and fill out that last two. But it says start your year with the Genesis Journal because this is supposed to be a Genesis box. I forgot to tell you guys at the beginning. At the beginning of the video, I forgot to tell you guys that. So it says start your year with this Genesis Journal, hand pressed and embossed with golden olive leaf motifs. It's perfect for faith-filled reflections. The pages are filled with inspiring scripture, Hebrew phrases, and poetry. That's cool. Very neat. Okay, let's see what's next. What else do we have?
It is a tray.
Oh,
And,
hand painted probably.
oh, that isn't that the same person as the candle?
Oh, see, I love that. They notice stuff that I don't notice sometimes. This says it's Yer Emmanuel, and this also is by Yer Emmanuel. So the same person that hand painted this little candle holder also hand painted this tray. I don't think I've ever had anything that was like the same. They had the same artisan twice. That's really neat. So this artisan lives in Jerusalem. Her designs of Judaic art are based upon a fusion of traditional motifs and ancient Jewish manuscripts with modern and oriental art. Vivid and harmonious colors, as well as a mixture of the old and the new characterized manuals work, which he designs and crafts in his Jerusalem studio. That's pretty cool. So it's 7 days of creation tray. Oh, that's neat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See? So this is hand painted. It says Emmanuel on the back where he signed it. I'm not sure what, feels like metal. Yeah, I think it's painted metal. But do you see you've got the first, second, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, seventh day. So let's test the kids. Don't look. What did God create on the fourth day? Who knows?
Sun and moon.
Sun and moon. Ding, 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 ding. See? That's really cool. That's neat. I like that. All right. This might be the last thing. Do you guys want to open that together? Looks like the last thing. This one actually has the artisan story on the back of the box. So the front says, Our Father in heaven, bless the state of Israel. There. And then the back, there's this whole story. So while we pull this out, let's see. So you open that as I read this. It says, my name is Noah Atias. I am a married mother of 5 children. I create my art in a small studio in Israel. I'm honored to share a piece of the Holy Land with you, my new friends around the world. So, okay. So this is, it's called paper cut. Oh, that's so pretty. Do you want to hold that up and show them? So it's called paper cut, which it looks like the picture shows her doing that with a knife. So she's not like mass producing this. That is paper that she cut out, and then it's got something written with it. Is that pretty? Something written in Hebrew. Before working on any paper cut, I draw inspiration from religious motifs, nature, and the blessings in my life. As a religious Jewish woman, my life is shaped by biblical law and blessings. In the paper cut you received, I include a blessing from the land of Israel. It's so neat to have the stories behind these things that we receive. And I just think it's neat to experience this. It looks like wood, but it's paper, doesn't it? Yeah. It almost looks like the way it looks like it's cut out of wood. That's amazing that she did that with her hand. You guys could do that with a, what is it called? An X-Acto knife. Do you think you could cut out leaves like that? And there's even a bird. Cool. That was really cool. Thank you guys for coming along with us as we opened our Artza box. Did you guys enjoy it? Mm-hmm. We're gonna have to try some of our goodies and we'll let you guys know how they are. So thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to my channel for homeschooling stuff, mom life, and thrifty stuff. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. That's always an encouragement to us. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
So they're like they're thin little chocolates. Wafers. See? Okay, ready? Let's try them.
Wait, there I go.
Oh, that's good. So it's milk chocolate, almonds, and sea salt. Those are yummy. I like how thin they are. Those are really good. Let's try the peanuts. They're very coated. Go ahead and try one.
Well, not yet.
Well, not yet. Wait. Luckily, my kids are very adventurous, so this is a good box. So if your kids are adventurous and willing to try new things, this box is awesome because we always get food. There's always a couple different kinds of food. So let me show you guys. See? Halva coated peanuts, right? Okay, ready? Let's try it. They're sweet. Oh, it tastes like those toffee peanuts, but they don't look like it. Because the toffee peanuts that we have are like orange.
It's like sweet and savory at the same time.
Yeah. You think anybody want to know? Those are good. And we'll have to let you know. We'll have to make some challah and try this.